Yiwu Packing Company Limited located in Yiwu City, Zhejiang Province, China. Our main products are craft paper bags, shopping paper bags, paper boxes, paper tubes, and so on. For all paper products, we can custom size and printing upon customers' requirement. We specialize cosmetic packaging, such as perfume bottle paper tube, lip balm and deodorant packaging, essential oil packaging, and shaker tube. We are committed to strict quality control and attentive customer service. We have also integrated research, development, production and sales into one, and is one of the professional paper products manufacturers in China. At the same time, we have passed the relevant product quality testing certification to meet the different needs of customers around the world. In recent years, we has introduced a series of advanced production equipment such as printing machine, auto-fold paper bag machine, and so on. In order to provide the best products and services, we have established a modern quality management system in strict accordance with international standards. Our products are mainly exported to USA, Europe, Southeast, South America, Middle East. In addition to the standard products we have been developing, we also offer a variety of customized services to meet your special orders. With our superior quality, reasonable price, personalized customer service, and high work efficiency, we enjoy a good commercial reputation among our customers. Welcome, come to us for long-term cooperation together.